We out here in the nature today. Probably the best place to do this kind of science, this caliber of science. Yesterday we got the God on our back. Today we got the nature. Yeah, we cannot fail now. Survived day one. What happened? Nothing. Just felt good. But we'll see. Salmon Nutella can take, I think, up to 2 to 5 days to catch up, or whatever else there is, E. coli, some other things, if you Google it. But we will see for ourselves. There's a boat. I'm naked here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pause for a beat. Okay, the boat is leaving. They didn't see me naked sunbathing over here. What's up? So, day one, nothing happened. Digestion, eating raw chicken. My experience this far feels like there's nothing when you eat it. So, if you have some bloating issues, digestion issues, which are pretty common these days, what's up with that? So maybe we will make some incredible discover here. Raw chicken, really good for the stomach, but we'll see. Maybe the diarrhea coming tomorrow. And nothing else real. Day one, normal. Today we got chicken breast in the sunshine, in the nature our back. No better place. Today smells like nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's pretty good. I'm pretty hungry also. Been working on our summer cottage a little bit. And the camera's battery is dying. So if I cut off, it's because of that. Try to make it fast. Oh yeah, I doubled the dose today. I made my breakfast also raw chicken, so check that one out right now. Ladies and gentlemen, day one survived. Even had a morning poop with no diarrhea. Hell yeah. Day two breakfast, some more raw chicken with some raw butter. No fear yet here, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Exciting. Ooh. Oopsie. I'm so confident, so I decided to double the dose for day two, double trouble, to see what happens. So we'll see. So I've been running on raw chicken and raw butter all day. Stomach really good. What else? Kinda makes you feel like you got that oomph. So Muscles feel like full and strong. Also really calm, almost peaceful. I call that based state of mind. So no negatives yet. Oh, I got small pimple here in the morning. So maybe that's from raw chicken. I did eat quite a bit of other stuff too yesterday, so I don't know. Maybe we have to make raw chicken only day someday. But the battery is about to die. You get the point. Day 2 going well. It's beautiful. Just went to swim there. Too cold. Ice bath, based or not. I'm like this. I don't think battery died just before the last piece, but we cannot miss that. I like the thigh better, or whatever it's called. Breast kind of bland. Texture kind of like scallop. It's honestly good. Taste, the breast is kind of neutral. The thigh is more chicken flavor. So I like that. Day 2. Let's see if we make it day 3. At least we got another beautiful place to die over here. If we never get to see day 3, never know. Might be your last day. See ya. Don't eat me, bro.